Hey, Wanderlust seekers, are you ready to explore the world without draining your wallet? What if I told you that traveling abroad doesn't have to break the bank? From smart budgeting to practical tips for saving on the go, there's so much you can do to make your dream trip affordable and unforgettable. Join us on this exciting journey as we uncover 7 brilliant ways to save money while traveling abroad, ensuring you experience the adventure of a lifetime without overspending. Booking smart and early for flights. Finding affordable flights is all about strategy, and timing is key. Airlines often release tickets months in advance, with the best prices appearing at the start of the booking window. Waiting until the last minute can leave you paying significantly more. Setting fare alerts on travel websites or apps helps you monitor price drops and snag deals before they disappear. These tools work round the clock, making sure you never miss an opportunity to save. Flexibility with your travel dates and times is another powerful way to cut costs. Flying on weekdays, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays, often comes with lower prices compared to weekends. Early morning or late night flights are also cheaper since they're less popular. If your destination isn't set in stone, searching for tickets to everywhere or choosing alternate airports nearby can reveal surprising savings. This approach opens up new possibilities while keeping costs low. Booking directly through airline websites can provide benefits that third-party platforms don't always offer. Many airlines guarantee the lowest prices on their own sites and sometimes include perks like free seat selection or waived change fees. Additionally, joining frequent flyer programs can reward you with points for future travel. Even if you're not a frequent traveler, these programs often come with exclusive discounts and promotional offers just for members. Being proactive with your flight bookings ensures you stay ahead of price hikes and peak demand periods. A bit of planning, coupled with tools like fare trackers and flexible search options, transforms the often daunting task of flight booking into a straightforward and rewarding experience. This way, you're not only saving money but also setting the tone for a smooth and enjoyable journey. Choosing budget-friendly accommodation. Finding a place to stay while traveling doesn't have to break the bank. Budget-friendly options are everywhere, and it all starts with understanding your priorities. Think about what matters most: location, amenities, or a unique experience, and focus on those. Many travelers overlook options like hostels, guest houses, or budget hotels that offer clean, comfortable stays at a fraction of the cost of high-end hotels. Platforms like Hostelworld and Agoda make it easy to compare prices and read reviews, helping you choose a spot that fits your needs. Booking accommodation in advance can make a big difference in your travel budget. Early reservations often come with discounts or flexible cancellation policies, especially for popular destinations. At the same time, last-minute deals are sometimes available on apps like Hotel Tonight if you're feeling spontaneous. To get even better prices, consider booking directly with the property instead of through third-party websites. Many smaller establishments are open to negotiating rates or offering extra perks like free breakfast or late checkout if you reach out to them directly. Alternative accommodations are another great way to save. Short-term rental platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo let you book entire apartments or homes, which can be ideal for longer stays or group travel. For an even more unique experience, try house sitting or home exchanges, where you stay in someone's home in exchange for taking care of their property. Camping and eco-lodges are also gaining popularity as affordable and adventurous options, especially in nature-rich destinations. These alternatives often bring you closer to the local culture and environment while staying well within your budget. Travelers can also take advantage of loyalty programs and membership discounts. Signing up for hotel rewards programs, using credit card points, or exploring memberships like AAA or student discounts can unlock savings that others might miss. Being flexible with your location, open to unconventional options, and strategic about booking gives you access to a wide range of budget-friendly accommodations. It's all about finding a balance between comfort and cost so you can enjoy your trip without worrying about overspending. Mastering public transportation. Using public transportation while traveling is not only a great way to save money, but also an opportunity to experience the local culture firsthand. Instead of spending a fortune on taxis or rental cars, buses, trains, trams, and even ferries can take you almost anywhere at a fraction of the cost. Many cities offer comprehensive public transport networks with easy-to-understand maps and schedules. Taking some time to familiarize yourself with these systems before your trip can help you navigate like a pro as soon as you arrive. Many destinations offer transportation passes or cards that can save you money compared to buying individual tickets. Daily, weekly, or even multi-day passes often include unlimited rides, making them perfect for travelers who plan to explore extensively. For instance, cities like Tokyo, London, and Paris offer affordable transport passes that cover multiple modes of transportation. Some tourist cards also bundle public transit access with discounts for attractions, giving you even more value. Buying these passes in advance can save you time and ensure you're ready to explore from the moment you land. Apps and online tools have made navigating public transport easier than ever. Google Maps, Citymapper, and local transit apps can help you plan your route, check schedules, and avoid delays. These tools often include live updates, so you'll know exactly when your bus or train will arrive. Don't forget to download offline maps or transit guides in case you lose internet access. This small step can save you from confusion in unfamiliar places. Additionally, learning a few key phrases in the local language, like asking for directions or stops, can make the process smoother. Public transportation also offers unique experiences you won't get in a private car. Riding the subway or a local tram lets you observe the rhythm of daily life at your destination. You might catch a glimpse of street performers, explore vibrant neighborhoods, or even strike up a conversation with a local. It's an affordable, eco-friendly, and culturally immersive way to travel. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or heading out to scenic countryside spots, mastering public transport makes your journey both cost-effective and memorable. Eating like a local. One of the best ways to truly experience a destination is through its food. Local cuisine tells a story about the culture, traditions, and history of a place, and eating like a local is an adventure for your taste buds that often saves you money too. Skip the fancy tourist restaurants and head to the hidden gems where locals actually dine. Whether it's a bustling food market, a hole-in-the-wall eatery, or a street food stall, these spots not only offer authentic flavors, but also let you connect with the everyday life of the community. Exploring food markets is a fantastic starting point. These vibrant hubs are brimming with fresh produce, homemade dishes, and snacks you might not find in guidebooks. Markets are usually more affordable than restaurants and give you the chance to try a variety of foods in one visit. Plus, chatting with vendors can teach you more about the ingredients and how they're used in traditional cooking. Cities like Bangkok, Istanbul, and Barcelona are famous for their lively food markets, but even smaller towns often have markets where you can eat like a local without spending a fortune. Street food is another must-try experience. It's quick, delicious, and often represents some of the most iconic dishes of a region. Tacos in Mexico, banh mi in Vietnam, and empanadas in South America are just a few examples of street food that packs a punch in flavor without emptying your wallet. Keep an eye out for stalls that are busy with locals. That's usually a good sign the food is both fresh and tasty. Also, many cities have food tours specifically designed to introduce travelers to the best street food spots. If you're dining in restaurants, look for those away from major tourist areas. Restaurants near popular attractions often cater to visitors and charge higher prices for meals that aren't always authentic. Instead, take a walk a few blocks away or ask locals for recommendations. Apps like Yelp or TripAdvisor can also help you uncover highly rated local favorites. Eating like a local doesn't just mean saving money. It's a window into the heart of a destination, offering a delicious way to connect with the people and culture that make it special. Staying connected without breaking the bank. Staying online while traveling doesn't have to come with exorbitant roaming charges. Many airports, cafes, and hotels offer free Wi-Fi, allowing you to stay connected without spending a dime. Download offline maps and translation apps before you leave home to navigate seamlessly even without internet access. International SIM cards or prepaid data plans are often more affordable than using your home carrier's roaming services. Purchasing a local SIM card on arrival gives you access to local rates for calls and data, making communication both easy and budget-friendly. Portable Wi-Fi devices or hotspots can also be a lifesaver, especially for group travel. Sharing the cost among friends or family ensures everyone stays connected without the need for multiple plans. Being strategic about your data use is key. Save bandwidth by downloading content like music, movies, or travel guides ahead of time. With a little planning, you can stay connected and share your travel adventures without burning through your budget. Using rewards and discounts. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to miss out on amazing experiences. One of the smartest ways to save money while maximizing your adventures is by using rewards programs and discounts. From airline miles to credit card points, there are so many opportunities to cut costs if you know where to look. The key is to plan ahead and take full advantage of the tools available to you, whether it's travel-specific credit cards or loyalty programs for airlines, hotels, and even car rentals. Travel rewards programs are one of the most effective ways to save big on flights and accommodations. Many airlines offer frequent flyer programs that allow you to earn miles every time you book with them. Over time, those miles can add up to free or heavily discounted flights. Similarly, hotel loyalty programs reward you with free nights or upgrades after a certain number of stays. These programs are free to join and can make a huge difference in your travel budget. Some credit cards even partner with specific airlines or hotels, offering additional perks like priority boarding, free checked bags, or access to exclusive lounges. Discount platforms are another fantastic way to reduce costs. Websites and apps like Groupon or Living Social often have deals on tours, dining, and activities. They're a great way to experience something new without breaking the bank. Student discounts and senior citizen deals are also worth looking into, as many museums, transportation systems, and attractions offer reduced rates for eligible travelers. If you're traveling with a group, don't forget to ask about group discounts, as many companies are happy to offer reduced prices for larger parties. Don't overlook cashback apps and programs either. Some credit cards and online platforms give you a percentage of your spending back when you book through their portals. These savings may not seem huge at first, but they can quickly add up, especially on big-ticket items like flights and hotels. Rewards and discounts are all about being resourceful and paying attention to the details. With a little planning and the right tools, you can turn your dream trip into an affordable reality. For avoiding hidden costs. Traveling can be exciting, but unexpected expenses can quickly ruin your budget if you're not careful. Hidden costs are everywhere, from the moment you book your trip to the day you return home. Knowing what to look for and how to avoid these sneaky charges can save you a lot of stress and money. With a little attention to detail and some smart planning, you can keep those hidden costs at bay and focus on enjoying your trip. When booking flights, always read the fine print. Low-cost airlines are notorious for adding fees for everything from seat selection to carry-on luggage. Make sure you understand what's included in your ticket price and avoid adding unnecessary extras. Similarly, booking platforms may display enticing low rates, but taxes, booking fees, and service charges can inflate the final cost significantly. Always double-check the total price before confirming your reservation. If possible, book directly with airlines or hotels to sidestep third-party fees. Once you're at your destination, transportation can be another source of hidden costs. Taxis and rideshares often have surge pricing during peak hours, so using public transportation or walking can be more affordable. If you're renting a car, watch out for insurance upsells, toll fees, and fuel charges. Some rental companies require you to return the car with a full tank of gas, while others charge exorbitant rates for refueling. Plan ahead to avoid these traps by knowing local toll rules and where you can refuel at a reasonable price. Attractions and dining can also come with unexpected expenses. Many museums and landmarks have free admission days or discounted rates, so check those options before buying tickets. Restaurants near tourist spots often add surcharges for outdoor seating or include hidden service fees in the bill. To avoid paying more than necessary, confirm the costs up front or stick to local eateries where pricing is straightforward. Small steps like these can make a big difference, leaving you with more money to spend on meaningful experiences. Hidden costs don't have to ruin your travel plans if you stay informed and proactive. And there you have it, 2 more game-changing tips to make your travels both memorable and affordable. With rewards, discounts, and a sharp eye on hidden costs, you're all set to enjoy a seamless, budget-friendly adventure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Edge. Hit the bell icon to join us on more journeys. Until next time, happy exploring and unforgettable memories.